Welcome to today's presentation on the Rack Sentry CONTOUR, the revolutionary rack protector from Sentry Protection Products that's changing the face of rack protection. First, let's talk about why rack protection is so important. In any warehouse or distribution facility, rack systems are fundamental to daily operations and extremely vulnerable to damage from forklift impact. While there are many reasons a rack system can fail, the number one reason is damage from forklift impact. The best way to prevent rack damage is with Rack Sentry CONTOUR. The first thing you notice about Rack Sentry CONTOUR is the difference in its shape compared to other rack protectors. The round edges and slimmer profile are designed to reduce the overall footprint of the Rack Sentry CONTOUR. That increases the amount of rack clearance available to forklift drivers navigating narrow aisles. The more clearance, the less chance of tagging the rack protector or the upright. There are 4 tapered arms on the Rack Sentry CONTOUR, 2 on top and 2 on the bottom. These reduce the rear face of the rack protector by more than 90%, creating additional clearance as forklifts maneuver the racks. The hinged arms are removable when you need to protect half-depth racks and still maintain a strong, secure fit. The cutout on all sizes of the Rack Sentry CONTOUR is designed to accommodate horizontal beams. One way, it fits beams 5 inches from the floor. Flip it the other way, and it fits beams 7 inches from the floor. Other than the original Rack Sentry, no other rack protector in the industry has this feature. Damage to rack systems is not always obvious. The Rack Sentry CONTOUR features what we call the impact indicator. Here's how it works. Impact to the Rack Sentry CONTOUR causes a temporary indentation on its surface, which signifies that the Rack Sentry CONTOUR has been hit and should be removed to inspect the rack for damage. Within 24 hours, the Rack Sentry CONTOUR pops back to its original shape. When you do need to remove the Rack Sentry CONTOUR for rack inspections or to move its location, the Velcro straps make it easy to remove or install in seconds. Manufactured with a proprietary mix of flexible polymers, the Rack Sentry CONTOUR comes in sizes to fit racks with an upright face of 3 to 4 3/4 inches. There's also a Rack Sentry CONTOUR end for protecting end frames and corner uprights. Dependable, versatile, outstanding performance, the Rack Sentry CONTOUR is changing the face of rack protection. Thanks for joining us today. For additional product details, photos, or videos of the Rack Sentry CONTOUR, visit our website at www.sentrypro.com.